EcoBoost Ford Raptor. We need to punch it to get it to work. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Novichenko Whips YouTube channel. So I had a thing that happened to my Gen 2 Ford Raptor. I was at a friend's house and a neighbor backed into my truck and did not tell us. But we later had another neighbor come and say that they saw the whole thing. Anyway, the guy's car was pretty low and it got it a lot worse, but you can see my lower bumper is very lightly scuffed, and then I think his spoiler or wing on his Camaro hit that, cracked my tail light, and of course now you can see all this condensation. Anyway, I looked it up online. The new tail light is from Ford is extremely expensive. He did not want to pay me that. He tried to find me like $100 tail light off Amazon, and I said no way, that's not OEM spec. Anyway, we settled on somewhere in between there, cash reimbursement, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try one of these Amazon China LED tail lights. And so, to be honest, it looks like nearly the real deal, but I think the big kicker or the big difference will be how they light up at night. So let's install this, and then we're just gonna at night turn on the lights and see how they compare left to right. Again, we'll see if the difference is not something you can spot, I'll just keep the original right. If the difference is big enough, I'll just purchase a right one from this company because the guy compensated me enough to buy both a left and right. Let's see. Well, here's how they look. The new left side and right side. So the outline looks pretty even, but I think here, let's get a look at both of them when the stops light up. So watch this. To me, it looks like the right one is slightly brighter. Let me see if I can turn on maybe reverse or have my wife do that. But honestly, for the money, it's okay. My only other gripe is there's a slightly bigger crack, or let's say visible gap on the top of those. But everything else really fits pretty well. I mean, if you don't want to pay $1,000 for a new one, there's some of these better ones out there, still made in China and whatever. But we'll see if I get annoyed of the slight color difference, and I'm also going to check it out at night. I might just buy a second one to match and sell my OEM to make myself feel better and make some money back. Having my wife back it up so we can see. Yeah, the backup lights are about the same.